Hey little artist! Do you love drawing houses and nature? Today, we're going to draw a beautiful house scene together. Get your black marker ready, and let's begin! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start with the roof. Draw a nice curved rectangle shape at the top. This will be the house roof. Now let's draw the house wall, a big rectangle below the roof. Time to draw a chimney on top of the roof. Now let's draw the door right in the middle of the house. Let's draw 2 windows, one on each side of the door. Use square shapes and draw small plus signs inside to show the window frames. Looks adorable. Now let's draw a wavy road starting from the door all the way down, like a curvy path. Now draw a big tree on one side of the house. Start with the trunk, then draw the fluffy green leaves. Great job, everyone! Our house scene is ready. Let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp. It will make your drawing pop right off the page. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time for the best part, coloring. Let's bring our picture to life with these bright colors. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color.
La da da da
Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Brown color. Sky blue color. Wow, look at that beautiful house scene you made. You did such a fantastic job today. If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time, little artists.
Yay!
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.